Hello friends, welcome back to your channel of learning. I'm Mr. Durba here to continue to guide you with the first chapter, sets, Venn diagrams. Remember last diagram we studied about basic operations on sets, union, intersection, and of course what they behave, what they follow, associative, commutative, idempotent, and all these identity laws and all. And then of course another very important theorem that we did was De Morgan's law. So I believe all of that is clear. If not, please go to that previous video and then definitely do come back and then learn. And then of course, yeah, today I'm going to do in a very special language, as this series is going to be purely on Nagamese language. So I believe that Nagamese would be better to communicate with many because it's more comfortable. So of course, moi to iman to fluent no, to all of ulta pulta to hoboli chance ase to more over nahansibo so mano understand koribo moi all to funny sound koribo. Okay. Now the question is we keep up only mon down to see yati last topic to exam time de man kiti odo si memory kori na jabo formulas kan likhiole time de half power jabo formula kan nai dimag tv nahi itu time de ki kore kushi right ta ulta pulta ekta likhi di na answer do ni answer to memorize kori na thaki aro ki debo konorom kuri na answer to last to like dibo ole marks paden do le marks pe dine ulta pulta ekta thakibo itu kile hoy because Bishop amount formulas can like memorize kure na only maths te other subjects can be tinia hobo moi to maths like bishop hobo maths te what happens is formula memorize no koribi na kite formula kan kite memorize no koribi formula kan tu nijor laga ideas tu nijor laga tricks bisari na formula kan to like remember koribole try koribi aru tati tu practice to halibi itu duida combine korisu bole moi kan bi power de formula do hole hotai hole as a teacher no hole itu power than the mugabi to mugala nijor la tricks na nijor la style or nijor la tricks for the formula to remember koribo or practice to bishi kurina thaga right to ini ahi jai na to parato among the trigonometry bi koribo bishi joldi to tati bi aru bishi lagibo de shortcut steps tricks kan na itu sob trigon by response bal disi wele regular kurisole moi sob to shikabo trigon kina ajila topic pure of tini ase Venn diagrams to be among the union position, intersection position, difference of sets can position, De Morgan's law can position. One sub to amount diagram having depict kuru pare. To video the chuto over there. So diagram be depict kuru pare. So any day direct kuru. Venn diagrams to like it is like sets to ya amount in terms of diagram. To you memory karne bishi balance the formula remember kuru na formula retention karne bishi effective as or problem be bishi kuru pare to Venn diagrams form na to. Chalo, now let's try. Venn diagram mane amani to see. Hotai sets the universal set thayo na to a few concepts janina rakhi bole la do. Universal set amount hotai itu rectangular box they represent kore. Itu universal set. Na representation is asle na. To rectangular box they represent koribo. Universal set ki. Aru dusra chotu motu sets kan do na set A B subsets kan do hotai amount universal itu rectangular box. Aro dusra sets kan do circles. Dusra sets kan do man circles par represent karo. Ta mane iniga na set A, set B. To man into circles but tinta charta set pi thai wo dusra praman banao na to this is how we will represent. So for example in the example ekta na universal set to let's say 1 2 3 4 5 na set A to let's say 1 2 set B to 3 to set A to 1 2 itu ni comma soma ni likhilibi ko noy kani do man elements 2 and 3 kuri dia ase set B to 3 to yadi 4 5 to 4 5 to ni yadi bi likhibo parebo na sob to box bitor de hola yo kuntu respective element te ase tati bushibo or baki kan do ta la universal set ti jabo to inigai kore man na universal set to represent to I mean Venn diagrams holi bi now it is how le la do union intersection gan we go is na formula kan bishi easy useful ekta try koribo sorry aman aji idu region ek part discuss koribo suppose only before that idu ini niga thaki chu gale idu tai ju jundo leiku common nai do na to idu iku common na thaka mane aman idu position na A intersection B null na last video di position na A intersection B null tam idu duita do disjoint. So you want disjoint sets represent kore na libi disjoint sets to amount bishi bak to no kore suppose see ekta A combination of sets na common elements or any b to set a set b to theta usually tamne itu do leta division ma jodi elements kan common olop ase na to amani the region to sai usually sabi itu region to sabi a b laga bi common region a laga bi common region tamne itu kun tola region ase aman pura bi pura ji itu ye a intersection b na a intersection b to amani the common region laga to koi to na isn't it aro tamne itu khali itu la region to ki hobo to itu hai itu region to among difference of sets na b bra a laga olop solop thagi je gole be bahar de kick out koribo na tamne itu region to b minus a aro itu a intersection b aro itu region to a laga set bra b laga olop solop thagi jole tai be out koribo that is a minus b to iniga one region to represent kore very simple concept na itu region to it like ini sukura like pictorial representations na mari the logic common sense chola bolela bishi easy is it by formula garni bishi easy to remember na to the common region a intersection b itu alag region to b minus a itu alag region to a minus b to itu la concept te we need like 1 2 3 na already 3 4 ini operation le diagram dikhini represent koribo region to koi dise na itu represent koribo hoisile tamile first sabi a b d ko common asna nai asina 3 to itu yati likhibo 3 na that is la common element to 1 2 b to 4 to sabi b la do le 3 4 a la do 1 2 3 b minus a koribo hoisile b bra a hatabo do 3 do hatai hoisile 4 a olai na itu region de aro a minus b hoisile 1 2 3 olai hoisile 1 2 na that's how we will represent okay aro 5 bachi se to 5 to line outside likhibo bas इतिया अरो common region shape a union b to be चलो a b तो a union b तो कौन तो ला region हो a intersection b तो अमान साइज है ना a intersection b तो इधर region तो a union b तो पूरा combine करोगे इधर ऐसे ना इसमें okay alright now इतु diagram बा अमान formula retention formula लोग derive करोगे ना simple formulas का ना लोग दे number of elements the number of elements to jane na kini represent kore ekta set a 1 2 3 hoise bole number of elements to man inia represent kore na 3 to the Venn diagram ra ekta formula very popular addition theorem formula bhi bhai ma ekta formula hola to a union b universal set number of elements in a union b to kini ka represent koribo number of elements in a union b balwar sabi number of elements in a union b sabi a aru b union combine kora din de sabi de itu ekta region hoise na a I don't know right dusra color ekta try koriso color do ban bal nayo color chop to na aru b combine koriso aru b na to sabi a aru b combine kora din de aman union color itu bal manai blue jolai so sabi itu particular region to dui bar organization nai de na kani a aru b combine kora din a combine korise tate aru b combine kora din itu region to dui bar organization ho na to a union b da ma number of terms la formula pra korise le ido number of elements in a plus number of elements in b na a aru b combine korise minus number of elements in a intersection b because kile marne a intersection b itu region to दुई बार join करिसन ना यति बार एक बार तो एक बार तो हटाइसी बोले a union b तो ठीक होला हो ना नले तो इतो एकटा एक्स्ट्रा हो जाए तो दुईटा हो गर्ने ना तो इतो एकटा formula very important formula okay we please pause the video and then okay मैं लिखि दिबो आरो okay so this is one very important formula okay Aro some other formulas we need diagram ready बनाओगे some other formulas हमारी जो retain group पढ़े बोले लाओ a b basic union ना इतो a intersection b ना इतो b minus a वैसे इतो a minus b वैसे ना तो इधर मुझे खाली a purely not purely a होय इन्हें purely a वाला वैसे लेकिन क्या करो I mean not purely A. Set A to be two ways na. Itu set itu alag na separate set, that is number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B. Number of elements in A intersection B. Similarly, number of elements in B to be number of elements in B minus A. Now itu set, itu region or itu region. So diagram to olai jesu bole to amount like man difficult to know na formula can remember kore bole. Okay, so these are some of the formulas, common formulas. Okay, not complicated, can be like it's not a very complicated thing. Okay, all right. So but like when A and B are disjoint, so this joint usually join why na this joint usually A B. A union B. Number of elements in A union B. So, in a simple way, we represent one number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. It is plus it is one na. So that is common night or region to the bar coincide only chances na. Okay. So finally, almost done. So finally, tinta set ki represent karo. We need the concept na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aro set A to 1, 2, 3. Set B to 3, 4, 5. Set C to 4, 5, 6. So itu tinta set lado kinya grow si tinta set lado bisi simple as first universal set itu compulsory as itu banawa laibo na. Or set A B C tagan sob ti sabi common elements kan do ini tagan lok mila mili do ase na itu ini let's say 2 na. तो मिला मिली तो आसे ताइगन ना 2 और इतना लिखिले वो ने 6 तो लाइन दोनों तो मिला मिल जाएगा तीन जोन तो इदु इनिया बना हुआ है सेट A सेट B ना सेट A सेट B और सेट C तो इदु बाल बाल साइज होने सब इतु रीजन दो कॉमन ताइगन तीन जोन करने कॉमन रीजन ना A B C नाम ने दो A intersection B intersection C इतु रीजन तो इतु है this particular region. Okay. Only the sets per define visually ni clear ho jawo na. To ini likhibo visually universal set to hoise na. To iku common element asna na ta yan tin jon majote. Iku common elements hobo 4 no hai are clear itu likhile balo ho 3. To sabi yati common element to 3 ta yan tin jon garne mi to itu region di likhibo hai the same common element for all the 3 yati. Okay, next hoise na idia A or B la concentrate koribo na to itu region itu particular region to A or B common element to A or B common element to 3 hoise na to iku ni likhibo hai to tamne khali ku common na idia or B C la common element to 4 5 na 4 3 4 5 तो 3 तो already होइसे तो यदि 4 5 इनी कॉमन लिखे बोले भी गुना है 4 5 ना राइट और A C को कॉमन है ना A और C तो 3 कॉमन तो 3 तो लिखी लो ना राइट तो इतना fill up कर भी A लगा दो 1 2 3 so 1 2 ना तब नहीं इतो तो purely A इतो region तो purely B only B la 3 4 5 2 ये ऐसे तो purely B तो एक element भी ना और C ला दो 4 5 3 4 5 6 तो purely C तो खाली 6 होता है इसे purely A तो 1 2 B ला दो purely B तो 9 तो ये जैसा भी set तो check करोगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 universal set 7 check करोगे इसे set A full A 1 2 3 1 2 3 set B full B तो 3 4 5 3 4 5 set C 3 4 5 6 common in both all the 3 A, B, C to 3 into this 3 A intersection B common 3 तो इतो region दिया है ना तो दिनिया बनाओ ऐसे और इतो B intersection C और इतो A intersection C तो दिनिया one split करी ना sets कंदो बनाओ right Venn diagrams पर तो like इतो ला concept भी आये बोले हमारे applications दिना दो तीन तरह से ला तो भी दिखाई दिया तो finally last step last thing in here for you no तो ये दे A intersection B intersection C common region okay और the last thing A B C usually it region to A union B okay this will be B union intersection itu A intersection B itu B intersection C hole bi kunuba to yadi common element bi jaboli chance ase aro itu A intersection C aro itu to purely A purely B purely C. That's it. Okay, simple as that. So khushi paisho la ajila Nagamese version version of explaining though. So khushi paisho definitely hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends so that everybody can learn. So hopefully if I get good response next class can be moi Nagamese pai koribo sab bujibole karne. Bye bye. Take care, stay safe.